right, you have a numbers file that you would like to turn into an Excel file. So here, let's pull up numbers. Let's open the most recent one that I had. And here we go. So all I need to do is go up to the top, go to File, Export to, and here I have choices. I can export it to a PDF, or I can export it to Excel. I can also do comma separated value. So those are probably the three most popular ones. Let's say I want to export it to a PDF, and it will bring me this option, and I will just do next. And it will now ask me where I want to save it to, and I can choose where I want it to save. Export. And so let's go now to downloads, and here we have it in a PDF, and there it is. Now you can also, if you want to take this and export it to that Excel file, you can do this as well. So let's export, and let's pull it up. And now it is in Excel. Hope that helps.